Understanding System Restore, a guide to tech terms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a tech term that often pops up in computer-related conversations: System Restore. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will clarify what System Restore means and how it's used. Let's dive in. System Restore is a computer term referring to a process on your computer. It allows you to roll back your computer state to a previous point in time. This can be incredibly useful for fixing problems that have recently appeared, such as after installing new software or updates. Think of it as a time machine for your computer, letting you go back to when everything was working fine. There are several scenarios where you might want to use System Restore. 1. After installing problematic software, sometimes new software can cause conflicts or issues. 2. System malfunctions. If your computer starts acting strangely, restoring it to an earlier state might help. 3. Virus attacks. After removing a virus, a System Restore can revert any changes the virus might have made. It's important to note that System Restore doesn't affect your personal files like documents or photos. It mainly reverses system and application settings. Under the hood, System Restore creates restore points. These are snapshots of your system settings and program files at a particular time. When you perform a System Restore, your computer reverts to these settings. It's a safety net, giving you peace of mind that you can undo changes if something goes wrong. While System Restore is powerful, it has limitations. It doesn't replace backups. Always back up your files regularly. Not all changes are reversible. Some system changes might not be undone. Disk space. System Restore points can take up a significant amount of space on your hard drive. And that's System Restore for you. A handy tool for troubleshooting and fixing computer issues by going back in time. Remember, while it's a useful feature, it's not a one-stop solution for all computer problems. Always keep your files backed up and use System Restore wisely. Hope this video helps you understand this tech term better. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.